nice little Victorinox diver style watch. This is called the Maverick Small. It's actually a ladies watch, but I think some men wear it as well, those who prefer a smaller watch. It's a diver style, 100 meters water resistance. Very good detail, a Swiss made. It has a sapphire glass, so very scratch resistance. It has a diver's bezel, very nice click to it. Let's see, overall very nice Swiss quality. Has a rubber strap, very nice matching rubber strap, sign buckle. You can see there's genuine rubber Swiss made there. So this model is actually, the reference number is, you can't see it here, I'll read it out, 241610. So it has some lume on the hour and minute hands and the lume tip here, but the indexes are silver or stainless steel color. It has a inner, what do you call that, military 24-hour dial as well, Swiss made at the bottom. Just do a quick measurement here. The dial is actually about 34 millimeters, with the crown comes to 37.5 about. Lug to lug is actually, see it, 41, and lug width is actually 18. Yeah, so it comes with a very nice rubber strap, and some models, another model comes with a very nice stainless steel bracelet as well. So I'll swap this model out to leather and let you have a look how it looks. This is how it looks like on a matching leather strap, black leather strap. As you can see, it looks quite good on leather. Put it on the wrist to have a look. So it works if you swap it out with leather. Yeah, I'm back. So back to the rubber strap. That's the quick review of the Victorinox Swiss Army Maverick Small, which is the 34mm model, which is a very nice sporty watch for ladies and for men who prefer smaller watches. That's it, signing out. Thank you for watching.